Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. You are watching Travel with Yash. So today we are going to do an unboxing, so which is useful to our motovlogging setup. So let's start the unboxing. This package from Amazon. So these are the mounts for all our gadgets and helmet to mount the GoPro in the helmet. So let's start unboxing. Yeah, let's dump the scrap. These are the products which are got in this package. These are the things we got in this package. So we got a GoPro carry bag, so which is less quality and material also bit very low quality. Okay, and we got a chin mount. This is a curve mount. We can insert the GoPro mount. Okay, yeah. So we got another chin mount which is curved one. So if some helmets will get a curve, right? So on that case, this will set very properly. So this will very useful, and they given an extra two 3M stickers. So which will use to stick over there. Yeah. So another one, underwater tripod. So why? Because due to this cylindrical shape, it will come up while in a water. Another one, we got a clip mount, so which is very handy, and we can hold it in a windows or any bike. And we got another very useful gadget, that this handlebar mount. So this will useful to get a more and effective shots. If I mount my GoPro here, so that will cover include my bike. Okay, so if I hold this in a handlebar, it will cover after the bike. So that will very useful to capture some curving places and all. This is a very important gadget, that I ordered this entire package for this gadget only. So this is a J mount which is useful to hold our GoPro in the helmet. Okay, so why I preferred this J mount means we can see our GoPro shot recording or not. While we are wearing the helmet only, we can see while moving the GoPro. So it's a useful project for a street vlogger or any biker. Okay, done. And let's get into which one we want to pick. I'm getting little bit confused because they are given a too much products for 1156 rupees combo pack. Okay, so let's get into this car mount, which is very useful gadget who are vlogging in the car. So if for example you are going or you are traveling in a car, you can simply clip it and you can hold it like this, and you can start recording your video. We got a very lovely gadget. There is nothing but a selfie stick. So it's a very long stick. You can see it's about my head. So it is very useful while taking a mountain shots. Let's close this. We got this. What is this? I am not getting it. Let's open it and I will see with you. Oh, yeah. There is a head strap, so which is useful for bikers only. So we can wear this like this, and we can fit our GoPro over here, and we can take a headshots. So it's a very useful gadget for street ride. Okay. So this is the basically hand strap. So hand strap, they are given a velcro over here, and we can hold like this, and we can tie it over here. We can lock like this. So any and side shot. We got some holders. So holders means if we do not have a confidence, our GoPro is mounted in a bike or any somewhere, so we do not have a confidence, so we can tie it and we can make a velcro over here. It will get tight, so it will not go anywhere. So basically I don't know what mount is this. So this is also, I think this is for tripod, I think. So while vlogging in your GoPro with a tripod, you can mount this tripod and you can plug your GoPro over here and you can use it. And another gadget which is very useful for a mud motovlogger, mud rider, so who are riding in a mud. So mud helmets will not come a visor, so it will come like a sunglasses. So on that case we need to mount GoPro over here. So on that case this joint will help you to make you comfort. And we got some clips and all. And this is also a tying. We got a rope over here, we can stick this in our bike and we can tie our GoPro riding towards our dream place. This is the things we got from this combo pack, which is very 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 value for money. So because in a starting stage we need to calculate our budget. So while we are going to do any YouTube or any social media activities, or if you are interested to record your memories which in bike or any moment, so if you want to do that, so there is a very affordable and very useful. So these are the products I unboxed today. So thank you for watching this video till end, and hope everyone liked this video. So please do subscribe and press the bell icon and give a thumbs up, so it will mandatory to our travel with yes.